We believe that the design of interior environments is really crucial to building a more sustainable, more just, and more beautiful world. Why? Because it's in these interior spaces where we come together. We come together for exchange, come together to live, and very often it's in redesigning existing spaces that we can have a huge impact on the environment. We do things a little bit differently in our interior design program. We bring a focus on sustainability, craft, and entrepreneurship. Here you'll mix with other design students to ensure you have design fundamentals, communication skills, graphic design, a series of other design basics that you need to have a successful career in interior design. In our Learning by Doing module, our studio, we combine all of the coursework into one program-based exercise. In the second term, we continue with our design innovation platform, and here we talk about spaces of exchange. And in your third term, you work on your thesis and other supporting coursework to have a complete, well-defined final thesis project for interior design. Your journey as a student in our Master in Interior Design will be based on 3 design studios where we bring everything together. We begin with spaces for living. We then move into spaces for exchange, and we conclude with your thesis project where you bring together everything you've learned and follow your own personal interest in interior design. So what's in the Design Innovation Platform? Well, we think it's not enough to know one specific thing in design. It's not enough these days. Frequently, we work in teams. Our careers often take us other places. We might begin in one place and go to another. This is why we think it's very important that all of our students, irrespective of their area of concentration, come together in the Design Innovation Platform, learn from one another, and learn a broad range of design skills. I think this makes it a really special experience. For one, if you have already studied architecture and design and want to become more focused on the design of interior spaces, this is a master that will do that while giving you management training and a focus on sustainability and craft. But if you come from outside, but you don't necessarily have that background, through our intensive bootcamp, you can get up to speed quickly and join the program. Well, here there's 2 networks. The first is the IE University network with over 60,000 alumni across the world. You're never very far from one of our offices, from one of our alumni. That's one of the amazing things. So we've got connections with industry across these programs. And again, that's part of the benefit of the way we do interiors. We don't think interior designers only work in interior design. No, you bring your interior design skills to bear on the world of design. And there's a huge demand for creative designers able to think about interior spaces, virtual and real,